kode chakruok nyaka giko. Obila osechako timo nonro ewi tho mar obila ariyo tesend obila mang'ia manotimore kugwen ma kawuono. Kaluwore kod komanda mar obila sub county mang'ia Charles Wafula, obila achiel nochero nyawadgi motelo ne tesend obila mang'ia okinyi ma kawuono kendo tomo ng'wech ka gikone to obila ne wetene orakore kode kendo chiele gi magina ma en bende owito ngimane kanyo. Ringre apisas ariyogo ochwale kar kano ringre ma Siaya County ka irito timnegi bero. Okwayo jopiny mondo obed gi horuok e kinde ma nonro dhi nyime.
It was a bit earlier in the morning, around 5, but you cannot confirm the time because, as I told you earlier, the two officers were the only at the post. This officer had run Pasak, and he shot the corporal before he escaped. So that's why he ran almost a kilometer to where he had been found, and that's the place where he was subdued by the officers who responded after the shootout. Currently, I said earlier that the body has been taken to Siaya Morgue, awaiting postmortem. We are conducting investigation, so just be calm and wait for the outcome of investigation. We don't want people to go around with a lot of rumors around concerning the incident. So kindly give us time, and then we reveal what transpired.